Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. We have been a long time away, but now we are back better than ever.
Yes, we are in Italy and we are on a beautiful place called Como. It's just a short ride from Switzerland, that's why we're here, and we're staying at the beautiful hotel called Hilton, and the location is perfect because from there you can explore everything. Now we are in front of the villa
Olmo.
Yes, and this is the first stop and it's a beautiful location here. You can do amazing photos and we're gonna show you Como now. Just follow us.
And give us a like.
I think the most beautiful time to visit Como is in summer. It's also very famous for weddings. So before we just saw like a wedding location just behind there. But I think this is a wedding you have to save a lot of money. And guys, you know, you can even rent a boat here, like a very beautiful Italian boat. It's only 300 euros for 1 hour.
Very cheap.
Very cheap.
No, actually Como is pretty expensive. So that's the wedding we were talking about before.
Look at this. I don't want to know how much they pay. That's insane.
But we're crazy. We're filming through this little hole here.
But you have to take a picture. I mean, like this table looks so beautiful. And they just married like over here. It's also like kind of a villa.
Let me see the location from here. Wow. That looks amazing. Dream wedding. They all look so good.
Italian, they know how to dress
Italian
well.
style.
So yeah, you can marry here, but I really don't want to know how much you will pay. Like this kind of villa in front of the Como Lake. What do you think? Maybe 100,000? More?
Could be.
More.
What do you think,
Depends on
guys?
the guest.
Write
Let
it
us
down
know.
below in the
Let us
comments.
know. And if you want to marry here, invite us.
Would you do that?
I would love to join.
So guys, this is another beautiful villa right next to the lake here. And the name is Villa Gallia. If you want to know what it exactly is, pause the video and read it.
So from here you can see the Monumento ai Caduti in Como. This is this one here. It's like 30 meters high and it's how do you say?
It's like a memorial for the soldiers from the First World War.
Yeah, 1933.
Perfect. You paid attention in school, huh? Or was that ChatGPT?
ChatGPT, my best friend. But yeah, we're walking now here the promenade and you can see like a lot of different kind of villas around the lake.
Wow, this one is also amazing.
Yeah, they're all looking very, very beautiful. The most of them are yellow, right? I see a lot of them are yellow.
Yeah, yellow is nice, like the sun.
Yeah.
So here is the Aero Club Como. You can book a flight here and see the scenic surrounding here.
Yeah.
Here is the stadium of Como FC and they're very good now. They're in Serie A and also they play Champions League.
And
you know
there
that, of
you
course.
will also find a yacht club, so I think here is the place for the club.
The club place. There is the yacht club. So that's the memorial from the First World War.
Yeah, you can see, here are all the people.
There are like the famous Italian wooden boats. Also there you can see, oh, there you can see too. Would be amazing to book a tour and drive here. I think they have like tours also, and you can drive with them and see all the villas and the beautiful hotels on the lake from the boats. Would be a nice activity if you're here for a few days, right? So there you can see another monument, and it's called Life Electric.
It's a modern sculpture in Como, and a very famous physiker, and yeah, Alessandro Volta is the name.
Nice.
If you want to know more, you can Google
Search it up on Google or on ChatGPT, our best friend.
Yeah, it's very crazy that you have to walk all the way to the monument.
Which we're not gonna do now.
I'm not sure if only the monument is the monument or also the way to the monument. But it's a little bit far and we want to see the town, so we show you the
And it's so hot to walk now. It's
Yeah.
around like, I would say like 28 degrees.
Yes.
Late summer here in Como, but a beautiful time to come.
Yeah, it's amazing. I think the best time is like spring or autumn. I think in summer, if you don't have like a hotel with pool, it's too hot.
Didn't you say summer is the best?
The third best.
So this is the harbor and this is the way to the monument. But yeah, we're not gonna walk now.
Yeah, yes, we are going to the town, which is just over there. And there you can also find the Duomo, and we want to check the Duomo out, so
Let's go.
that's the beautiful street. Now we're coming more and more close to the place called Piazza Cabu. And yeah, it's a plaza.
Piazza. I love that about Italian cities, you know. You always have like a center in the middle and there's always like a piazza where the people are sitting outside eating gelatos, playing football.
And most of the time the piazza is like in front of the Duomo in Italy, I think, right?
True.
I think in Milano it's also like that. So yeah. Oh no, not here. Not here. But in the most of the place. Yeah, this one here is the Piazza Cabu.
Let's check it out. So that is the beautiful piazza with some nice restaurants right there where you can drink like an Aperol Spritz or something. And yeah, beautiful scenery here. Very, very nice with the mountains there, or let's say hills. For us Swiss people, that these are not mountains. Let's go.
Let's go. What are you filming?
The nice Ferrari. Look, this beautiful color.
Yeah, it's yellow.
True. Like the buildings here.
Yes, so
And
now
like the sun.
we made it to the town of Como, and here you can have a drink or walk around.
Nice.
Yay! So now it's 5:30, and people in Italy, they eat super late, like at 9 or 10. And in Switzerland, they already eat at 6. So this is the thing here.
So what do you want to
to
say? Are you hungry now?
A little bit. But they are also eating ice creams now everywhere.
Yeah, they have some nice gelaterias here.
Oh yeah, if you're here, try ice cream. With Italian ice cream, it's different.
piazzas.
So here you can find a famous Italian bread called
Buongiorno. It's like a brioche. I love it in Sicily. They eat like gelato with the brioche.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
It's amazing.
We have to try it.
A lot of calories. Also, what is very crazy, like in Italy, if you go for breakfast, it's not like American style breakfast. It's like dessert. They eat like croissant with cream and a cappuccino, of course. Still, like so much sweet stuff. For me, it's like a cake.
And the American breakfast is better. Less calories.
At least they're eggs.
At least something salty.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit up the Duomo, which is here.
Are you sure?
No. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Looks like a Duomo behind there. So here is the beautiful and impressive Duomo, and of course in front is a beautiful piazza and also a nice restaurant where you can of course drink an Aperol Spritz or another aperitivo.
Yeah, here we are. Yes.
Okay, this got out of control now. I thought we wanna see the city.
But also Italy is good for shoes.
Wish me luck, guys. Okay guys, I'm feeling a little bit sick because we went to a perfume shop and I tried like this perfume, just like one spill and it stinks so bad.
Yeah, it was like the most.
Oh, I feel almost sick, I swear. I have headache and I feel sick because this perfume, I've never experienced that, to be
Yeah,
honest. Like
crazy.
a perfume which actually stinks. It stinks. I smell worse than before. Really, that's crazy. Oh.
So cute.
Yeah, it's a cute little street here with some restaurants, some pizzerias.
In the side of the city, so many little restaurants which look so cute. But you can see now it's like 6:15 soon. Nobody is in the restaurant.
So your rule is really true, huh?
Yes.
For once, you're right.
Wow, look at these shops inside these buildings.
Yeah, if you want to shop, Como is also very nice, like some Italian streetwear. Beautiful kind of picture here on the wall. Very nice. Another beautiful piazza with cute restaurants. Very nice here in the golden hour.
Yes.
Yeah, Como is very beautiful, I have to say. I have to admit it.
We have to admit it.
Before we said it's like Lugano, that's the city. That's the city in Switzerland, which is very similar, just around 45 minutes from here. We said it's more beautiful, but now I have to say, Como also has its own charm. I have to admit.
Yeah, it's different. I feel it's kind of bigger, and I love the restaurants are like in the streets and yeah, inside this beautiful little town, which you don't have in Ascona. And of course, there's much more possibilities for shopping. Yeah, I like it. So, if you want, when you're in a city of Goma, you can walk all around the lake on the other side. It's also beautiful. But yeah, this was Goma. It's pretty nice, it's beautiful, and the weather is amazing. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully see you in the next one.